Welcome home to our 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1222 square feet floor plan here at 2201 Pershing. As you can see, walking in, this home has bamboo heartwood floors throughout the main living space. We are entering the living, dining, and kitchen space. Nice and large windows, south facing, bringing in tons of natural sunlight. The windows do include window coverings. There's your entry hall back down that way. Here's the kitchen. The kitchen has tons of cabinetry, pendant lights above your island/breakfast bar, stainless steel appliances with the electric range. This kitchen does also feature a pantry cabinet. First up is the secondary bedroom. The secondary bedroom has floor-to-ceiling windows, wall-to-wall carpet. This room is large enough for a king or queen size bed and additional furnishings. In this room, you have a view of the Washington Monument off in the distance. Down this hall, you have a nice and large walk-in closet, as well as an additional closet here. Down this way is your secondary bathroom. A large vanity with great storage space. Dual flush toilet. Your tub and shower with white subway towel and an arch curtain rod. And large vanity, ceramic tile floors. Back out this way. Your in-home stacked washer and dryer. You have a coat closet here. Coming back out to the main living space. This is your master bedroom. You can definitely fit a king-size bed in here with 2 nightstands and additional furnishings. Nice and large windows. You have a walk-in closet, your master bathroom, great size vanity, dual flush toilet, tub and shower, and ceramic tile floors. And exiting the master bedroom, we'll check out the balcony. On your balcony, you can get a bistro table and chairs. That's your view. Thanks for touring this apartment home here at 2201 Pershing.